the first hexagram. In dealing with the Sphinx, please understand that you have only one driver. The driver's in the second gate. But you have three perspectives of the one driver, and they exist in the three other gates. So you have the logical perspective of the driver that's always looking out the front window. That's the 7. And you have the abstract perspective of that driver who's always looking in the rear view mirror. And you have the individual perspective, and they're just listening to the radio. They're neither looking forward nor backwards because they're in a brown study and they don't see anything. They're just hearing the radio. This is the individual expression of direction. This being in the channel of the creative role model, in this channel of the individual creative process, please understand that this is about being unique. This is creativity as uniqueness. This is difference. It's about being different. Being different gets recognized. Being different gets recognized as long as it can express itself as an explainable example. It is not that the first gate is going to end up being the great artist. The first gate may create a new genre because it's a mutative force. May need to express itself in a unique way that nobody else had ever done. But that doesn't mean they will be the best at it. And it is one of my keys for individuals, for them to recognize, and for all of you to recognize through any individual gate, that wherever that gate is, that is never a place where you can be the best, because you're not supposed to. The collective and the tribe find that stuff very important. You know, best, worst, lists. And when the individual gets caught up in the being best, then it loses all of its creative possibilities. It can only be what it is. Unique. Different. I mean, nobody would want Bob Dylan to sing well. You know, part of the attraction is the uniqueness. But we wouldn't want him to sing like the rest of the collective. You know, then it would be undistinguishable. Creation is a primal force. The energy potential to manifest inspiration without limitation. How nice. Potential.